rented a U-Haul. Take a look, it's beautiful. And we got our regular tow dolly behind, and we're gonna tow a couple cars. And hopefully this is the last time we have to spend, $150 on a U-Haul just to tow our cars. So we're gonna go pick up a 2001 Hyundai Elantra with 130,000 miles or so. So we'll see you there. The worst auction out of the three. They got dirt roads and they're not organized, but hey, you do what you gotta do. I'm not judging, just saying. I'm not complaining. I'm still happy.
They got dirt roads and they're not organized.
Okay, there it is right there. Look at the bouncer. It don't look too bad. Tires look brand new. No smoking smell, that's a good thing. How's the oil? Looks full-ish. Could use a quart more, but it doesn't look bad. No milky color in the oil, that's good. We'll talk later, thank you. Keep watching, it's a good video, I promise. Okay. I think this will be a very quick flip, like 1 day or 2 days at most. We gotta clean it, inspect it. 2001 Hyundai Elantra GT. Weird hatchback model. I think it's pretty cool actually. But look at that. Brake light on. Oh, brake light on. Brake light on. Why? Why is the brake light on? But I'm not in the car. The car is off. So I gotta figure that out. Let's get to work. Let's figure out that brake light switch and start there. We have 2 brake light switches that we got because I didn't check. I'm a noob. I don't know what I'm doing. So I just got both of them. And here's why they're different. This one has 4. This one has 2 prongs. Now it looks to be roughly the same length here. And they function the same, right? That pushes in and out. That pushes in and out. I'm thinking, I haven't even looked, but I'm pretty sure it's this one. Are they still on? Yeah. So I should disconnect the battery. Let's just take that off. There we go. Let's put it down. I got the light shining on the brake light switch right there, and it does look to be the 4 prong for sure. You can see it function when I push the pedal. Shouldn't something be pushing it? I only have one hand and it's holding the stupid phone. Brake lights are on. You can see that they're on. And there and over there. I want to know if I press that brake light switch, does it turn the brakes off? Push that. Did the brake lights turn off? Tell me if they did. They should be technically on. Off. Off, on, off, on. Should be off right now. I'm gonna go watch that video. I really hope that's the case. Because if it is, there's no problem. Oh, like no problem at all. Brake lights are on. Look at what my wife brought. Chicken and coffee. Brake lights off. Should be working just fine. That's all it needs right there. That little clip, you see? Push up. Push it up. That's all that we had to do. Man, this car is dirty. We're gonna clean it real quick. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the seat, but let's just clean the inside and see what it looks like after. Just cleaned the car. Door jambs look very clean, very shiny. And the door panels always look great too. I love putting that Maguire's, what's it called? Oh, that's for leather, but there's an interior detailer one, and looks like someone missed the spot, huh? Yeah? Miss a spot and then leave it there? Okay. Okay. The seats are kind of awful, especially that one. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm selling it as a really cheap car, so I'm not sure I'm gonna do anything probably. Oh, and the glare from the light is always annoying, but super clean as always. Always nice to look at a clean car, vacuumed and whatnot. Probably whoever gets the car is definitely gonna have to get car seats probably, or just change them out. Got the bumper to get back on. Now, it was off and hanging, you can see in the beginning of the video when it was getting picked up from the auction, but it was hanging down. I had to wire it, and basically I just removed that bolt and put it back in, but I also had to put the bumper onto the metal bracket, and that was really what took, you know, the 20 minutes. It was ridiculously hard. Also, check it out, someone did a Bondo job on this before, so this car has definitely seen some love. Now, take a look at the clear coat damage. Take a look at the bumper damage. Take a good look at that sticker that I'm not gonna get off. Clear coat damage. Paint on the bumper. Look at that. I mean, that I could repaint it and I could touch up the red by getting the color code paint. But here's what I'm gonna ask you. If you're flipping this car for a quick $500 profit, right? I got it at the auction for $1,000. I'm gonna sell it for $1,500 and make a quick $500 just by cleaning it up, fixing the brake light switch, and that's it. It's already amazing. It's a nice little A to B car. That's what I'm gonna sell it for. A nice little A to B car. It's gonna look ugly, but it'll look better than this, and we are gonna go to the car wash. I usually don't go to the car wash. That's why I bought a pressure washer, to save money. But I have a lot of work to do, and I don't feel like I have much time. And winter days are a lot shorter. Nice, we got lucky. This road is always super hard to get onto, so the days are super short to where I don't have much time. It might be better just going through a car wash, especially for a cheap car like this. Like I said, we're only gonna be selling it for maybe $1,800. I just don't feel like we need to invest so much time and energy. Just get a car wash, post it today, and sell it tomorrow. It'll be a one-day flip, and that's what we need right now.
Water, 14 gives you polish, clear coat protectant, 17 adds tire shine.
No, I think I just need like a quick wash.
Face wash?
That should be
11
fine.
bucks.
11? Okay, thank you. you guys can have kind of a better look. She's watching it right now. No way! No way! It's a giant blower. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That's not bad at all. I mean, tires need to be cleaned a little more. What about the dirt? Oh yeah, it got it. Yeah. That's interesting. I didn't think the car wash would be like that good, but it's actually not bad. 2001 Hyundai Elantra GT. We bought it at the auction for $1,000. It didn't need anything. I had to do a little labor and some tools to fix the brake light switch, but I was able to fix that for free, just on my own time. We cleaned up the car, and we're gonna post it for $1,800, which will give us a total profit of $800 for 1 day of work. And we're not just talking posting and negotiating. I'm selling it for $1,800 firm. F-I-R-M. There's no negotiation. This car will sell at $1,800, period. And we're gonna make an $800 profit, which is great for the business and great for you, because we got more videos coming out. And I hope you guys will like and comment and subscribe. Don't forget that. It's important so I can keep making these videos for you. And I'm excited to show you the new flips that we're gonna do. In fact, we might even sell the tow truck, which I wasn't planning on doing, but it might work in our favor. So thank you guys for watching. This is Nikita from Cars Off the Wall Dealership, and we appreciate you for watching the video. Bye.